So now you've read about Jenner. A little unethical to me, if you ask me. He purposely infected a little boy with smallpox. But what he had done was given the little boy cowpox before that. So this was because it was cow. Cow, the Latin word for cow is vacca, and so that's how vaccination was born. So remember this figure that we talked about. How can we give you this memory cell without actually making you sick, right? That's the idea behind a vaccine. Let's give you memory without making you sick. So in the case of Jenner, he gave the child a pathogen that was very similar to the smallpox pathogen. It was a cowpox pathogen. And it just so happened that the little boy made an antibody that fit both because it was similar enough, right? And so that's the idea. All we have to do is take our antigen, whatever we want you to be immune to, and just take a part of it. All right, so we might give you a piece that looks like this, right? So it's just a small piece of the pathogen. Now, the question is, can that make you sick? Well, no. We've removed the DNA from it. We've totally what we call attenuated it. We've weakened it in some way. We have made it so it's literally just the protein code, or it's the protein coat and part of the innards. It cannot make you sick. All it does is prompts the response of your B cell to do the choose your own adventure, to make an antibody that fits so that you have memory to that pathogen. Now you might be thinking, wait, but I've gotten sick before when I've gotten a vaccine, like I got my flu shot and then I felt sick. Okay, remember the non-specific responses, right? So when we give you this piece that can't make you sick because it's not alive, not viable, we give you this, but we also put a little bit into the shot that's it's called an adjuvant. It just sort of hyperstimulates your immune system because we want to make sure your immune system even recognizes it. It doesn't just get flushed from the body without being recognized. So we want your immune system to recognize it. But some people, when we give you that stimulates the immune system, your immune system sort of freaks out with fluids and fevers and swelling, and so you kind of feel sick for a little bit. But that's your body making memory cells and having a non-specific response. It's not you being actually sick with the bug that we're vaccinating you for. So vaccines are really a great thing. They have absolutely revolutionized health in this century.